Hi everyone, so I'm back to share a design team project with you, and this is for ARTYmaze, and I have made autumn fall journal and little ephemera packs. The journals are blank, but there's obviously lots of things in the little kits or packs that I've made that go with it. I have used ARTYmaze's new a cluster medley kit. I have used autumn fruits, which is a kit I think from last year or the year before, and I've used autumn medley, which is another full kit as well. So it was 3 kits that I used, all the autumn ones obviously from ARTYmaze. I will have them linked down below so that you can go and check them out over on her Etsy store, and I think I used some freebies as well, and I will mention that as I go through, if I can remember what they are, because that was like bits of 3 kits that I've used. So anyway, like I said, there is I've made 2 little sets here. These will be available in my shop if you're interested. So I will show you this one first. Like I said, it's a very simple journal. I've used one of the pages from the a cluster medley kit, and it's just got some plain coffee dyed. It's more like a notebook rather than a journal, but then, you know, it's not got lots of different pages. It's just got I think it's 20 pages front and back, and then I've decorated it with a tag. This is from the I think this is the autumn medley kit, and that is possibly from that as well, but the tags are from the new kit. Okay, and the journal measures, I haven't written anything down whatsoever, 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, so it's like a traveller's notebook size. And like I said, you could dress that up to how you want it. Then I done the little double tag, kind of like ephemera holder. I have got a video on this, you can find that on my playlist, Let's Make. So that just opens up. There is space in the back for you to put something else, but I didn't have anything else small enough to put in there, and I just kind of needed to call this a night, if you know what I mean. This is from the autumn fruits kit, and that's a double layered tag with a little sentiment there, a little quote, and that goes inside there, and then that just wraps around. So that was 2 tags. Obviously it's very simple to make. It wasn't my idea, but I done a video on the process of it anyway. So we have that. Then we have, this is a stuffed envelope. It's one of the we call them DL sized envelopes here in the UK, so it's just like the big long ones, the thin long ones. And I folded it up, and then I decorated it with I think that's one of the freebie papers, I think, and you can find that on ARTYmaze's coffee shop. And then on the back, so pretty, you can write on there, you could add a photo, and I just popped the butterfly on there. That is from the kit as well. Then inside there we have a tag, and I think that's from one of the other kits, and I can't remember which one it was now. It could have been autumn medley. Yeah, I think it was autumn medley. So that pops in there like so. Then so does that comes from the autumn medley kits, and that's the paper there. And then I've just got leaves are falling, autumn is calling, and then a butterfly from the new kit and some bling. Then these are journal cards, all collaged for you, which is brilliant, because I mean, I like collaging, but I do like it when it's already done. And I just popped on the little quote, stitched all around, added some tabs, that goes in there. Again, this is a collaged journal card from the new kit, and I just popped that on there, and I've got that sitting like, I've got one there with the tab sticking out there, and then this is from the fruits, autumn fruits, and that goes in there, and we have that tab sticking out that side. So that's that. And then we have here, it's just a very simple like double pocket, triple pocket actually. You could, if you wanted to, stick that straight onto a page, but I've just, or you could have it floating in a journal. And we have a tag here, and I think that's from the autumn medley, and these are from the new kit. Again, I've just popped on the autumn quotes. Again, they're from ARTYmaze, and put a tab on and done some stitching. Put them onto some coffee dyed paper, and again here just a little autumn quote there. That goes in there, and that goes in that away. And then here you get, with the new kit, which is called a cluster medley, you get lots of little ephemera pieces. So I just printed out some of them, and they were just perfect to pop in there. And I think this was made from the freebie paper from ARTYmaze's coffee shop, and that just all sits in there like so. And then here we've got a butterfly and another autumn quote. So that's that little pack. And the other one, they're just slightly different, just slightly, I think. Maybe not, maybe they're the same, but yeah, I done one of these again. I think they are roughly the same. Oh yeah, and I popped them on as well. They were from the autumn fruits kit, so that goes in there, and that, and yep, I think they are the same. The butterflies may be different, and I tried to keep the same quotes on each as well, so we did. And again, just adding a quote there, and adding a quote there, and the tag, and then obviously a little pocket down here, and that all just sits in there like so. And obviously that does slide down a little bit, so you could have the tab like right down there to the pocket, but I've just got it up here because I like to see them like staggered. And then again, just the same little ephemera pieces from the new kit, and that all just tucks in there. And then that one, again, I think it's just the same. Yep, put a butterfly on the back of there. Again, you could like journal on the back of that tag. And another tag, I really like that. It's really kind of old-fashionedy to look at, I think. Another one of those, and another one of those, and that goes in there. And then this is just slightly different to that one, as in this is different to that, but it's the same tags and the same paper. It's just they're slightly different. And again, that's just coffee dyed notebook journal, whatever you want to call it. So like I said, these will be listed in my shop. I will put the links to the kits that I've used in the description box below, and you can go and check them out. Love the colours, because I'm seeing all the trees at the moment, they're all, you know, shedding leaves everywhere, and the colours are just, it's such a lovely time of year seeing all the colours, the autumn colours out there. So yeah, be nice if you gave me a thumbs up, be nice if you left a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.